Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Gemini AI to summarize YouTube videos. If you don't have time to watch long videos, Gemini can break them down into quick recaps. First of all, what you have to do is YouTube on your phone and then find the video you want it to be summarized, and then tap on share and then copy link. Next, go ahead and open the Gemini app and then paste the YouTube link into the chat box. After that, type in summarize this video in 5 bullet points. Say something like summarize this video in 5 bullet points, or give me a 1-minute recap of this video, and then Gemini will process the link and generate concise breakdown. And there you go. Here you can watch it. Now refine and style. You can also say make it a study guide, turn it into a step-by-step tutorial, or summarize a funny tweet. And that's all. Copy the summary and paste it into notes, or share it directly into your study group, team chat, or social media. Safety tip: only use Gemini for public YouTube links. Private or unlisted videos won't always work, and sharing those links could risk privacy. Quick fix: if Gemini won't summarize the video, paste the transcript instead. On YouTube, tap the 3 dots, show transcript, copy the text, then ask Gemini to summarize that. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.